In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a smooth pan and zoom effect in your videos using Davinci Resolve. This amazing feature will help you add dynamic motion to your videos, giving them a professional touch that takes your storytelling to another level. First things first, open up Davinci Resolve on your device. If you haven't used it before, it's a powerful editing software offering both paid and free versions, perfect for filmmakers and video editors alike. Once you're in the application, open a project. This is where your magic begins, so take a moment to gather and load your video clips, images, and any other assets you're intending to use in your project. Now let's navigate to the edit page. You'll find this page is where most of your editing will take place. It's designed to be intuitive and user-friendly, allowing you to piece together clips, add transitions, and create various effects with ease. Next, you'll want to click on the inspector. The inspector is an essential panel within Davinci Resolve that allows for detailed adjustments to your clips. Whether you're tweaking the color, adjusting sound levels, or changing the position of your video, this is the go-to place for your finer editing needs. Make sure to select a clip to ensure all the related options appear. Now it's time to add some motion to your video. Click on the dynamic zoom. This is a nifty feature that automates a zoom effect between 2 points in your clip. It's ideal for emphasizing details or creating a documentary-esque feel to your project. Once you've activated dynamic zoom, you'll notice two rectangles overlaying your video, one red and one green. The green box indicates the starting frame of the zoom and the red box indicates where it will end. Feel free to adjust these positions to control the zooming motion and its intensity. Finally, ensure you toggle the dynamic zoom to on by clicking the switch. This enables the pan and zoom effect you've meticulously set up. An important tip here is to preview your video to ensure the motion is smooth and aligns with your creative vision. If needed, go back to tweak the start and end positions using the inspector. And there you have it, you've just learned how to incorporate a smooth pan and zoom effect using Davinci Resolve. Remember, practice makes perfect. Experiment with different clips and settings to get a feel for what works best in your projects. Whether you're creating a dramatic introduction or a subtle conclusion, this dynamic effect opens up a new world of possibilities in your video editing journey. So go ahead, unleash your creativity, and produce something extraordinary.